Okay, can you guys hear me now? And as Japanese markets were performing this it was a kind of crazy day. We saw some reversals going on in the Japanese market, and it looks like we had some selling going off in the DAX and in the Japanese market. Both the Topex and the Nikkei were down. It appears that if you can see on the SPY that we're heading to some kind of correction here. We had broken that really vertical trend line going on, that strong, nice trend since the rise of Trump. We had since Trump came into office, we had a really nice uptrend. If you guys are on social media, people are bragging about becoming 401k millionaires, and now we can see we had even a stronger trend line, which broke, had this beautiful reversal kind of going on, and it broke support at 280 and went down the way to 270. And let's see, at 270 we have this vertical support level. Let's see if this keeps on holding. It looks like the dollar is taking back some gains that it had in the forex markets, and guys will be back shortly. But so far it looks like the markets are going to be kind of interesting today. I think we're going to be more short biased than bear biased, short biased than bull biased, and it should be an exciting day. But and it looks like the dollar did fall against the British pound and the yen, but the dollar did get some did steady against the British pound and the yen, and but lost some ground to the yen as compared to the euro and the pound, where it both did some interesting trades. And sorry about that, that's kind of confusing. But guys, on Bitcoin, it was at a high of what, over 10,000, $21,000. $21,000 was a high, and on night now, Bitcoin is trading below 8. This appears to be a very bad case of Tulip Media happening again. And it appears that crude oil is also doing so pretty well. At some highs, oil is trading around $65 a barrel. And let's see what we have up ahead. Today we're getting dollar making some help from the U.S. Institute of Supply of Manufacturing Non-Manufacturing PMI ISM, release for January. It is focused to rise, and we have the Bank of Australia to keep rates on hold. We have GM's earnings, and we have, let's see if some movers going on. Japan's market sank around 2.2%. China didn't do it bad, down nearly almost 1%. South Korea fell. The Kospi fell over 1.3%. Australia's S&P ASX index fell, dropped 1.6%. New Zealand fell. Most of the markets today, Europe, looks like it's going to be a heavy selling day. The DAX did decrease by 0.60%, hitting the lowest in 19 weeks with a 6 consecutive decline. And the S&P index futures are down, and it appears the SPY is down 0.60% at open. Looks like it's going to be a heavy selling going on, and it's going to be a heavy selling day indeed. As far as bonds go, we are seeing yields go up, and we did see the U.S. Treasury 10-year go up to nearly 3% for the first time since 2013. The German 10-year bond is at nearly 1%, largest drop in. Yield fell 3 basis points, a nearly large drop in almost 6 weeks. I guarantee that the German bond buyers are going to the Americans, and the Britain 10-year bond yield fell 1 basis point to 1.57%. Gold advanced 0.2% to $1,305 an ounce. West Texas Intermediate crude decreased 0.9% to $64 an ounce, $64.80 a barrel. Besides that, let's talk about cryptocurrencies are getting destroyed. Ripple is, I think, at its end of the roads, and Bitcoin, it looks like, is also doing really bad. It's not going to be the best trading future for the cryptocurrencies. I think cryptocurrencies were just a bubble, and we're watching that bubble pop. Let's see. Let's go through our screeners now, see if we have any activity. Go to the most active. We have B8, WFC, WFC we have added to our list. Before we already have it to our list, we have VX is an ETF, VXY is an ETF, SPY is an ETF, SPX I believe is also an ETF, and okay, we already have it on our list. IWM, do we have it on our list? Let's see. I don't like the volatility and the price is too high. Bristol Myers. My grandmother has a stock in her portfolio for long-term trading. That being said, it's kind of pricey and it's only down. It is up 0.37%, but since I'm going heavy short, I'm going to be looking at the negative side for today. I'm not going to take Bristol Myers for long. BAC, Bank of America, is at 2%. Bank of America is down 2%. Stock, maybe I Bank of America to see what's going on with this stock. BAC. I'm probably put it on my list. BAB is expensive stock. I don't think I'm gonna keep it on my list. Let's see if we got changed up. C8 and H. Z and H. Z and H both. Z and H. China Southern Airlines. Not going on our list for today. We have TRQ. I believe is a gaming company. Nope. Turkish is volume is too low. IRT. Ready to trust? No, thank you. Bungie. The gaming company. No, thank you. Up 5%. 4.98% up ETF on cold. S1 base and royalty. Up. No, thank you. VXYCAA. CEA, China Eastern Airlines, did that. HCC. HCC. 400 nail. KOS. WFC. HU. NRT. WAC. ERF. DY. Bungie, right at that. BMW, Bristol Myers, BMY, Cold, already did. CAA, DGAS, SCI, MSCI, let's see, CTLT, WAN. AAP. Apple is down 4%. Wow. I see some heavy selling going. I'm gonna add my list to keep on watching, but I will probably remove it in the future. Apple, FPV, MUL, NVDA. What's NVDA at? We have Qualcomm also on our list. NVDA is down 2.30%, kind of pricey. I want to focus on the cheaper stocks. QCOM, QQQ, QQQ is what? Zenit is up. Should be interesting. Okay, percentage up. And let's see what else we got. So today guys, we're only going to be trading for the first 2 hours of the trading day, and we are streaming on YouTube, so it will be a little lag, and that little lag unfortunately will keep you from copying our trades, but we're going to try out this new format for a little bit. SIVB. Oh, SDK overstock. Probably falling on the Bitcoin. I'm going to add overstock to my list of stocks for today. I like red stocks today. Stocks that are red are really gonna outperform those that are going bear, going bullish. If the market's going through correction, I'm not gonna take stocks long. I don't take stocks short. I'm always gonna follow the direction of the trend. Because stocks, people, especially when it comes to selling, people are gonna be much more fearful and protective of their capital, and people are gonna be. Google's down also 4% today. Tree. Tesla's down 1%. XIV, and looks like we had an interesting day. SPY, so for today we have the SPY. We're gonna keep monitoring. We have CAPR, BMY, Qualcomm, QCOM, WFC, ZNet, BG, and OSTK, NOK, DCIX, BAC, AAPL, and Overstock.com. Those are our stocks for today. And we do have our scanners up and running, and it looks like we have about 10 minutes until the market opens, so it should be a fun trading day. So guys, we have 10 minutes till the opening bell. Let's see what stocks we're really going to focus on. CAPR. 5-minute chart. Volume here is too low. BMY. I'm not going to Qualcomm, WFC. I really like WFC. I think this is going to be one of our big players today on WFC. Wells Fargo. Stock is starting to really take backwards, but I think since it's such a big banking company, people are going to start to buy it in. ZNet looks like it's going to fall today. Overstock.com looks like it's possible. 71,000 shares. Get rid of DCIX, APL, Bank of America, APL, and Overstock. It looks like Wells Fargo is starting to reverse. It looks like we might see a break in Apple. And markets are opening in a little bit, so good luck everyone who's trading. Should be an exciting trading day for us here at the Stocks Trading Room. Guys, I'll be right back. Market's opening in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, guys, so it looks like we have, it's going to be, market is about to open. That's what I have going on here. I'm looking for a short here on Overstock, so I'm really gonna focus on today. OSTK. It's gonna be a fun trading day in my opinion. I'm really looking for that short on Overstock. You guys, markets are opening. I'm taking a short on Overstock. No, sorry, I missed the move. I'm gonna wait for consolidation before I get in. Markets are opening. We are live as we speak. Markets are opening. Let's see. I'm gonna be really careful right now, as this is gonna be a chaotic time. VOD. Add VRD to watch list. What is? I think I'm gonna take VOD for a short today. VOD. VOD. Low. Stock market. 300 share. Shares low of the day. And short. A couple cents below. And let's take a look at VOD. Let's see, let's take a look at, we're looking at before OSTK. It looks like OSTK is reversing upwards. Guys, I'm going to put in a short on VOD.